perform experiment. The object of the experiment is to draw the VI characteristic curve of a PN junction diode in forward bias and in reverse bias. In theory already we have discussed forward and reverse biasing of PN junction diode. For practical purpose, the circuit diagram for forward bias, you have to connect the P section with positive or N section with negative of the supply. This is rheostat, this is key. Voltmeter and ammeter are required in parallel and in series respectively. The positive of the voltmeter connected with positive of the supply, negative of the voltmeter connected with negative, and similarly for ammeter. And for reverse bias, you have to connect the P section with negative of the supply, N section with positive of the supply, and accordingly the polarity of voltmeter and ammeter will be changed. So these are the circuit arrangement for forward and reverse bias. For observation table, this is the observation table for forward bias. On the same pattern, you have to make the table for reverse bias. For voltmeter and ammeter, you have to write the range and least count. So for forward bias, range of voltmeter will be 0 to 1 volt, and accordingly you find the least count. And ammeter range will be 0 to 10 milliampere, and least count you have to find. For table, serial number, voltage, current, and this is the graph. You have to use the graph paper for curve, VI curve. So scale you have to decide. For forward bias, you will find the curve in the first quadrant. For reverse, you will find in the third quadrant. Both the curve are non-ohmic in nature. So you will find for forward bias the current will be almost 0 up to a particular voltage. After that it start increasing. This particular voltage is called knee voltage, that you have to find from the graph. Similarly, in reverse bias you will find the current will be almost constant up to a particular voltage. After that the current start increasing suddenly, abruptly. That particular voltage is called breakdown voltage. So breakdown voltage and knee voltage you have to find from the graph. Now try to understand how to perform the experiment using the apparatus. This is the apparatus. All the components are box fitted. Through this box we can perform two experiments, one for PN junction diode for and second for Zener diode, but today we will perform only for PN junction diode. So all the components are inbuilt. This is the on off switch. When I on, the power point blink. When I off, it will not blink. This is the DC supply of 10 volt, 0 to 10 volt. This is the rheostat. This is the positive terminal of the supply. This is the negative terminal. And this is the PN junction. This is the P terminal. This is the N terminal. And this is the Zener diode. This is not required for this experiment. Voltmeter and ammeter, the special about these two, both are double range. When I keep the knob upward, it will work for 0 to 1 volt. Where it is downward, the same voltmeter will respond for 0 to 10 volt. Similarly, this ammeter, where it is upward, the ammeter will respond for 0 to 50 microampere. Where it is downward, it will respond for 0 to 10 milliampere. So I am going to explain how to make the circuit for forward bias, and similarly you can practice for reverse bias also. So for forward bias, voltmeter should be in range of 1 volt and ammeter should be in the range of 10 milliampere. How you find the least count? When you keep it 1 volt, 0 to 0.2. So 0 to 0.2 is divided into 10 division. So value of 1 division will be 0.2 by 10, that is 0.02 volt. Now I am going to make the circuit. These are the connecting wires. So you have to connect positive the P section of PN junction diode with positive of the supply. the N section of the PN junction you have to connect with negative, but not directly. It should be through ammeter in series. So it goes to positive of ammeter, then negative of ammeter, it goes to negative of the supply. So PN junction ammeter is now connected in series across the supply. The voltmeter is required in parallel. So simple option is positive of the voltmeter you connect with positive of the supply. This is the multi-connecting wire, so easily I can connect, and negative of the voltmeter connected with negative of the supply. Now our circuit arrangement is ready. How to take the reading? You switch on. When we switch on, then you find the deflection in the voltmeter ammeter. See, I am increasing the voltage, current also increasing, see, yeah, current increasing. Okay. So in this way you note down the voltmeter reading and ammeter reading, and you find at a particular voltage the current start increasing. Like in this case it is near about 0.3 volt, 0.4 volt, the current start increasing suddenly. See, current start increasing suddenly. Okay. So this 0.4, 0.3 to 0.4 you can take as knee voltage. So in this way you note down the voltmeter reading, ammeter reading, plot the graph and find the knee voltage. And the same steps are for reverse bias with the circuit of reverse bias arrangement.